What is the one word for large in spatial extent or range or scope or quantity? The correct answer is extensive. What is the one word for present as worthy of regard, kindness, or confidence? The correct answer is commend. What is the one word for live in, be a resident of? The correct answer is inhabit. What is the one word for a phenomenon that is caused by some previous phenomenon? The correct answer is consequence. What is the one word for expressing yourself readily, clearly, effectively? The correct answer is eloquent. What is the one word for feed as in a meadow or pasture? The correct answer is graze. What is the one word for a state of danger involving risk? The correct answer is peril. What is the one word for the single one of its kind? The correct answer is unique. What is the one word for serve as the inciting cause of? The correct answer is inspire. What is the one word for a formal event performed on a special occasion? The correct answer is ceremony. What is the one word for greatest in status or authority or power? The correct answer is supreme. What is the one word for come out into view, as from concealment? The correct answer is emerge. What is the one word for a consecrated place where sacred objects are kept? The correct answer is sanctuary. What is the one word for skillful in physical movements, especially of the hands? The correct answer is deft. What is the one word for a body serving in an administrative capacity? The correct answer is counsel. What is the one word for be persistent, refuse to stop? The correct answer is persevere. What is the one word for spread by scattering? The correct answer is strew. What is the one word for a wide and open space or area, as of land, sea, or sky? The correct answer is expanse. What is the one word for divide from the main body or mass and collect? The correct answer is segregate. What is the one word for satisfy, as thirst? The correct answer is quench.